Okay, looks like the audio didn't record for my last one. Now I'm even less available. I'm like super busy now, so let me really quickly just explain. Last night on the live stream, I said on the bottom when it bounced on the 222 EMA, COTI, right here on that 4-hour model, that was the time to enter. Anybody who was in the live stream with me, and this is why it pays to be in the live streams, you'd be up 18% right now. Well, it's back down a little bit, but overall really strong, really bullish long term. So that was COTI. Mostly the only other thing I wanted to mention right now, since I'm not getting in any other trades, and since we're in the middle of correcting, the only other thing I got back into ELF, COTI's obviously crushing it and doing really well there, and Ethereum. My recent Ethereum trade, my model is on fire, right? Big bounce on the bottom of the trendline support, exactly. I mean, to the dollar of where I predicted, turned up, really, really bullish. Now, I got this trade going. Now, on the hourly looks like it may want to dip down a little further. It may come down to this, just the 55 and no lower. It may dip down to the 99 EMA down here, but overall it's really bullish. So I'm not going to move up my stop loss yet from down here at 2040 up because I don't want to risk potentially getting stopped out on a quick little wick down. So I'm going to wait and see if it can make one more attempt to push through this resistance at the top. Again, if it pushes through that resistance, we're going to see an explosive move. That's all I really had for the update. Other than that, I didn't really have any comments on BTC other than to say, same thing in BTC. We dipped almost exactly to that trendline support I was predicting, right where the 236 is, and then the trendline support. I mean, we got almost to the dollar again. So I'm expecting a big bounce from here as well. The only difference here is it doesn't look like the Stoke doesn't really make sense, but overall, it does look good for BTC. Let me just check one quick thing. I just want to see if I were to enter, say like right at the current price on like a short-term scalp on BTC, place a stop loss below that trend line, it would be like 1% below my entry. All right, it's worth it. I'll take a chance. I'll do a 1% trade on here because 1% is pretty low risk. So I'm going to get into BTC here and see if this trend line support holds like I predicted. The 236 right here plus the trend line is where I predicted we would hold and then bounce and make another attempt to try to get through 59.5 again. Let's see if that's going to happen. That's exactly how it played out on Ethereum. And the 4-hour model looks to be bouncing on BTC. So everything about this, my model, I mean, is really insanely accurate right now, like scary accurate. So I'm going to trust it. I'm going to get into a BTC position here as well, and I'm going to stick to the BTC and Ethereum position, and I'm going to wait to get into other altcoins until later when I can do a stream and I can talk to you guys and we can look at some more charts, because until the kids go to sleep, I won't have enough time to really look in that much detail. But at least for now, I have the Ethereum and Bitcoin trades going. Hopefully you guys are in my other trades, which are all doing really well for my longer term entries. All right, touch base in a bit. And a reminder, in case people are watching this, because I'm sharing these publicly, these are updates for Flux Trading Group. That's my private trading group where I teach people everything I know for my premium members who join the premium group. It's $130 a month. I'm available for on the phone. We could do voice calls in Discord and talk about strategy and whatever they need help with. I love teaching this stuff. I have a ton of older streams and older videos where I teach all this stuff. I'm obsessed with sharing everything that I've learned in my career as a trader, going from a noob like a lot of you to somebody who can trade for a living. So if you want to join the group, it's an amazing way to support me. Twitter banned me, so I don't have the outlet to get, tens of thousands of followers to come and join the group anymore, so it's tough. So with your support, it really is appreciated. So anybody who's listening on public or anybody who found this video through one of those groups that shares all the premium channels, those guys are ripping us all off. They join all the premium groups that they pay for, and then they sell our work to you. So they're conning you and they're ripping us off. So if you found me through any of those means and you'd like to join the group to support me, it would be amazing. All the links for that stuff are in the description below. Thanks, guys.